In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an icon set for a design system in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to expand your skills by integrating icon sets into your design projects, this guide is perfect for you. I'll walk you through step by step on how to incorporate Iconify, a versatile tool within Figma, to enhance your design workflow. First, let's start by opening up Figma, which is known as a highly collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, make sure you have an account set up and are logged in so you can follow along seamlessly. Once you've opened up Figma, look for the login button in the top right corner, click on it and enter your credentials, then navigate to your home page. This takes you to the central hub where all your design projects are showcased, making it easier to get to the project you intend to work on. Next, you want to click on the Design tab. This will lead you directly to the workspace where you can start creating or modifying existing projects. Here is where the magic happens. You'll have access to all the tools you need to complete your design elements. After you have accessed the Design tab, your next step is to select an action. Typically this involves selecting a project you're ready to enhance with new icons. Click on Action to open up the options for your current design scope. At this point, you're setting the stage to apply that unique touch with professional icon sets that Iconify offers. To find Iconify, utilize the search functionality. It's pretty straightforward, simply type in Iconify into the Figma search bar. This tool aggregates a vast library of icons ready for use, saving you time and ensuring consistency within your design system. So just enter Iconify and it should pop up in the results. Once you see Iconify in your search results, click on it. Doing so allows you to access the features Iconify presents within Figma. Think of Iconify as your gateway to a myriad of icon sets, simplifying how you implement professional and diverse icons in your design projects. The final crucial step is to run Iconify. You'll find a Run button right inside the Iconify panel. Click on Run and the library will open up, displaying an array of icons categorized for seamless access. Feel free to browse through their selections to find icons that suit your design needs. You can drag the desired icons right into your project space and start integrating them to enhance the visual narrative of your design system. That's it. You've now learned how to efficiently utilize Iconify within Figma to elevate your design projects with a sleek and organized set of icons. This workflow not only streamlines your creative process, but also adds a professional touch to each project you work on. Happy designing!